Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to make radish paratha. Be in our video till the end so you will know how to make radish paratha. So let's start the video. Friends, to make radish parathas, we have taken radish. Wash and peel the radish and then grate it well. After grating the radish, squeeze it well to remove the water. Now I am adding half teaspoon of salt in it and leave it for 10 or 15 minutes because radish will release water again. And after 15 minutes I will squeeze it again. After 15 minutes, you have to squeeze it again. You can see again it's releasing a lot of water. If you will know the proper recipe for making radish parathas, then you can make nice parathas. Now again you have to add little salt in it. Add red chili powder according to your taste. Instead of red chili powder, you can also add green chili by cutting it into small pieces. Now mix it well. Our dough is ready. You have to make it little wet. We have taken a little dough, shape it like a ball, add little dry flour in it so that it will not stuck during rolling. After rolling it a little, now add 2 spoons of radish inside it, close it well. Now again add little dry flour in it and roll it slowly. Friends, sometimes radish paratha stuck during rolling time, so you can add little dry flour in it. See, I am also doing the same. And then you can again roll it. Put little ghee on the tawa and put your paratha in it. After some time, turn the paratha to the other side and apply ghee on it. Cook the paratha till it becomes light brown in color. Then its taste will be good. Look at the color of the paratha now. Wow, it looks so yummy. Friends, we took little sauce and some curd with it and I mixed little red chili powder and little salt in it. And please don't forget to like and share our video. And if you are new in our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Done.
So friends, I hope you enjoy this video. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy the paratha with your family. See you in our next video. Till then, be safe. Take care. Bye bye.